I probably just shaved off 15 or 20 minutes off of that one order. All right, what's going on, guys? So if you can't tell, the view looks a little bit different. I have not set everything up yet, and I'll put pictures up of my new car. But yeah, I ended up getting a new one because my old one was totaled. I'll show you pictures of the totaled one. Had a 2013 Chevy Sonic. Got a new little fender bender, and they ended up totaling it. So I'm actually just about to send off the title to the insurance company. But the good news is that I ended up getting this car, and you know, it's an all-wheel drive. I need it for the winter time. But anyways, it is raining right now, so I'm not exactly sure how much I'm gonna film. I'm kind of, what's the word for it? Kind of like, I don't know, I guess I'm overly cautious about the rain and, you know, the equipment like the GoPro. Not so much my phone, but just the GoPro itself. So anyways, we're gonna see if working in the rain actually makes you more money. I don't think I've actually worked in the rain all that much. So anyways, I'm gonna go drop off my title, and then I'll start dashing and Ubering and everything else here roughly about 30 minutes. So see you guys when we get the first order. All right, guys, so we just got this one. It's a Red Lobster 822 for 4.9 miles. Man, I gotta hop in here really quick. It's like the rain's kind of going from light, then really heavy, then light, then really heavy. So we'll see how long I'm gonna go out for, but I'm gonna try to do 2 or 3 hours. Anyways, let's go pick up this Red Lobster. All right, what's going on, guys? So I don't know if you have seen this yet, but when you go to dash, you know that you've got those basically 3 lines at the top. So if you click on those, you know, we go to like pause your dash. I think this is a new feature. They got dash preferences. If you click on that, it gives you the option for like shop and pay, alcohol delivery, your pizza bag verification. Yeah, it says get certified under the alcohol one. So I'm curious. I mean, I clicked on it. It's like a course. I mean, it says it's optional, but I wonder if that's going to prioritize you if you do it for more alcohol orders. That's interesting. You guys will have to let me know if you've seen that recently. I know the DoorDash app just had an update the last day or 2, but yeah, that's completely new to me. I don't remember that being on there, and if it was, then I apologize for overlooking it, but I just thought I'd point that out because that was the first time that I've noticed it. And yeah, so anyways, let's keep on dropping off this McDonald's for Uber Eats. I've had to unpause DoorDash and then repause it, so, and you guys know if you've tried that, it's like, come on, I gotta hit pause as best as you can. So anyways, let's go drop off this McDonald's one. Alright guys, so I just got this one. It's a Hy-Vee 1350 for 7.7 miles. Now I'm in a different Hy-Vee. I'm gonna see if I can go in here and shop these and be completely fine. I'm almost positive I should be able to, because they should have the same exact stuff, but yeah, let's see if we can do it. I'm almost positive we can, but anywho, let's go try. Y'all, do you see that? Do you see that screenshot? We just cut the miles in half. It's only 3.3 miles to the customer, and it was originally like 7 point something. Like, what? Why did it have me go to another? I mean, I get why they have you go to another Hy-Vee, but it's only, like you see, 3.3 miles, 7 minutes to the customer. I probably just shaved off 15 or 20 minutes off of that one order. I mean, I'm not telling you guys to do it, but I'm saying, like, you know, that saved me quite a bit of time. Yeah, I might do one more after this. I'm not sure. The battery on the GoPro is dying. If I do end up doing one more, I will definitely show you guys or tell you guys. So anyways, let's go drop off this Hy-Vee. All right, guys, so I bet you're tired of looking at the same angle, which, you know, is understandable. But anyways, I promise on the next one, I'll have everything set up in this new car. Like I said, I got a new car, and it is kind of like a smaller SUV, but I definitely can't whip around as much as that Sonic could. So I'm driving a little bit slower. But anyways, as you just saw, yeah, we got some storm clouds rolling in, and even behind me. And here, I'll put up some footage. It's looking pretty nasty. It's been like this pretty much all day. So anyways, yeah, you know, I just decided to call it after that last Hy-Vee shopping order. But honestly, that's really cool that we can, you know, essentially go to another grocery store and shop it, because honestly, that saved me quite a bit of time. I probably should have taken that other Hy-Vee order with 20 items, but you know, it is what it is. So anyways, yeah, let's go over some numbers. So it looks like we worked a total of 2 hours and 41 minutes. In DoorDash, we made $40.97. And in Uber Eats, we made $15.08. So if you do the math on that, $40.97 plus $15.08, that is $56.05. And if we take $56.05 divided by 2.6666 repeating, that's $21 and basically 2 cents per hour. That's honestly probably the lowest per hour that I've done as of lately. But like I said, I'm driving this new SUV. I'm driving a little bit slower, just more cautious. And I was also dashing around basically that rush hour time, and I usually don't. So I started, what is it, like 4:21. I usually start about 5:30 and go to about 7:30 or so. So that played a little bit of an impact, but still, you know, over $20 per hour is not terrible. But anyways, yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe if you guys want to see more, and catch you next one. Bye, guys.